Hey everyone, welcome to my channel tutorial lore. Today, I am going to teach you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option. A step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log in. Access your Pocket Option account via the website or app. Step 2. Verify your account. Complete identity verification by uploading your ID and verifying your payment method. Step 3. Go to Withdrawals. Click the Finance tab and select Withdrawal from the menu. Currently, I don't have any amount, so I can't show you more steps, but I can tell you, you can follow my steps. Step 4. Choose a method. Select a withdrawal option like bank cards, e-wallets, cryptocurrencies, or bank transfers. Step 5. Enter the amount. Input the withdrawal amount within the specified limits. Step 6. Provide details. Fill in payment details, e.g., card number, wallet address, or bank details. Step 7. Confirm request. Double-check the information and submit the request. Step 8. Processing time. Wait for 24 hours for Pocket Options approval. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to withdraw money from Pocket Option. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe. Drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you.